In the fast-paced world of tech, it's crucial to make timely and correct decisions. But sometimes, the fear of making bad decisions can keep us stuck in a state of indecision. This is known as analysis paralysis. It can affect professionals at all levels when faced with a critical decision. Amazon's principle of "I write a lot" emphasizes the need of making decisions quickly and efficiently, even with the lack of complete data. As I transitioned into more senior roles in my career, I noticed that I started running into such kind of decisions more frequently. So today, I'm here to present some of the mechanisms that have worked well for me and helped me move forward with more confidence.
Hi, I'm Achal, and I'm here to share insights from my 10 years at Amazon.
You'll rarely be able to collect all the data required to make the decision. Try to collect as much relevant information as you can within a reasonable time frame. Remember, you don't need all the data, just enough to make an informed decision. For example, you don't need to do a POC of every single service that you want to use in your system. Instead, you can go through the tool's documentations and rely on a few blogs to understand the effort of building and maintaining the software. Next, understand the concept of one-way door decisions. These are decisions that are hard to reverse and therefore must be scrutinized well. For example, it's critical to think through your options when choosing a university to study at because it might be really hard to change the university at a later point of time. However, you can always change the color of your living room if you don't like it. Therefore, the decision of which color to go for should be pretty quick. Next, you can always reach out and seek help. Present your research, options, risks, and recommendations to seniors, stakeholders, and subject matter experts and get their opinion if the risks are high. For example, when implementing authentication features, include a security engineer to make sure that you're following the industry best practices. Next, trust your instincts. Use your intuition and experience to guide you. Let's say a legacy system that you own has become hard to manage and it sees a lot of bugs regularly but has a very complicated code base. The decision that you need to make is whether to keep on investing in solving these one-off bugs or to move to a simpler system that you built from the ground up. Use your experience with past migrations to understand the risks and future limits and benefits of migrating to the new system and take a decision accordingly. Next, embrace the risk of imperfection. Understand that no decision is without risk. Aim for the best possible outcome, but be ready to adjust if new information comes to light. For example, you might launch a new feature based on the information that you have so far, but you might need to adjust your approach based on how the users are responding to the feature. If you're still unsure of the decision, you can always escalate. Reach out to your seniors with a recommendation and understand how they take the decision. This will help you make the decision more independently in the future. I hope you found these tips useful and are able to take decisions more confidently. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such content.